We've seen a bunch of new open source models getting released recently, like Kimi K2.7 and GLM 5.2, the new Qwen, Orient this morning, and a bunch of other ones. And we've been making it much easier to test those and connect those from the Gamut platform using our OpenRouter integration. So I wanted to show you how you can connect to an OpenRouter API key from your Gamut application, and then use that to test any new model that comes out even before we natively support it in the app, if you want to go and experiment with all the new models that are coming out. So the first thing you're obviously going to need is an OpenRouter API key. So I can just head to OpenRouter.ai, get API key, and then I'm just going to create one. I'll go with my Gamut key, and then just create it with all the default settings. I'll copy the key, and then back here in the Gamut application, I can actually go to settings. I'll go to LLM provider, OpenRouter, and I'll just put this API key in here, validate and save, and everything works. Now, by default, we kind of give a set of models. So you can see we have all the Anthropic models, the GPT models, and we also include GLM 5.2 here. But then any model on the OpenRouter catalog, you can just add by searching it here. So let's say I want to use the new Kimi. I can just search for it. I can either take the Kimi K2.6 or K2.7 code. Let's say I want to try out 2.7 code. I'm going to edit. It's going to pre-fill all the details here, so you can see all the supported efforts, the pricing from OpenRouter, and then all the other kind of details around it. And I'm going to drop it in here. I can also add another one. Let's say I want to use the new Qwen 3.7 max, so I'll drop that in here as well. And then once you add them in here, they're going to automatically appear in your model selector. So if I just go to my model selector here, I'm going to be able to say there's the Kimi K2.7, there's Qwen, and then I can actually just use those regularly like I would any other model on the platform, right? So I can ask a question. I'll go in with a simple hey for now, but it will route it to this model through OpenRouter instead of using the Anthropic or any of the other kind of built-in models. So that's cool because OpenRouter just supports a whole lot of different models, and most new ones that drop get added to OpenRouter pretty quickly. So if you want to play out with any new models that are coming out, it's now super easy to do that through the Gamut platform by using our new OpenRouter integration. And of course, if you're done kind of experimenting, or you want to go back to using either the direct Anthropic API key or the kind of platform account that you have through signing up to Gamut, you can just switch back here, and it will, as soon as you restart your agent, we'll switch them over to using the new choice. You can always switch back and forth from experimenting with new models through OpenRouter to just using your platform account and all the billing through Gamut AI.